You want more money? Stop relying on one paycheck.
I got more streams than Spotify, baby.
You don't need to quit your job. You just need to make your job optional.
Passive income so smooth, I nap for profit.
Your income should be like your coffee. Not just drip, but pour over.
And sometimes espresso fast, like digital products, baby.
Most people trade time for money. But what if your money worked overtime for you?
Introducing the Sleep and Earn model, trademark pending.
Some streams pay you slow, others hit like a refund check.
When one stream slows down, the next one flows.
I ran 4 apps today and still had time for crypto memes.
Income isn't luck, it's planned elevation.
Captain Frog here. We're cleared for passive income takeoff.
Buy low, learn fast, list smart.
This Furby's about to pay my internet bill, mate.
Online income's like baking. Get your recipe, then scale it up. Today's flavor, passive printable pie with a side of commission sauce. Turn traffic into trust, trust into income. One good email funnel, and I'm out of the rat race.
I train my money like I train my body, discipline over hype. Drop and give me 20 dividends.
Teach once, earn forever. Knowledge scales.
Welcome back to Frog Talks, where frogs teach you to teach. Coding is my superpower.
I am hacking the system!
If you don't protect your time, someone else will rent it. Inhale intention, exhale distractions, and bad investments.
This train runs on 2 tracks, time and money.
Next stop, Dividend City. Watch your wallet doors.
Buy low, learn fast, list smart.
This Furby's about to pay my internet bill, mate.